from the UK. His first question, how to perfect the language, the Arabic language. Arabic, like any other language, it depends on a number of factors. Number one, your interest in it. And this constitutes the vast majority of the problem. If you have a strong interest in a language, you can pick it up easily. If you're not motivated, if you're being pushed by your parents or your teacher to study it while you don't like it, then it is going to be a difficult task. So if you have the motivation and you have the interest in it, this maybe is 70% of the difficulty is gone. After that, you have to learn a lot of the vocabulary. So a lot of the time people make the common mistakes of focusing on grammar, which is good, but it is not the language. So if I know that the subject has to come in the beginning, and then the verb, and then the object, this wouldn't help me if I go to a restaurant and tell them this rule of grammar. If I don't know how to say chicken soup, I'm going to starve. Or at least I have to behave and act like a chicken so that they would understand. So vocabulary is very important. And this comes by listening and reading. So when you read a lot of Arabic and you try to know the roots of these words, where are they stemmed from, and you listen and you hear it being spoken, especially if you relate this to the Quran and to the Sunnah, this becomes much easier. But there isn't any easy way of doing it. Sometimes you may need to read a lot of newspapers. So that, okay, if you read the English newspapers, you know what had happened in Minnesota a couple of days ago, and then you read the Arabic newspaper and you read the same article, you can compare and relate the Arabic words to the English words, and this is how you improve your vocabulary, but it will take some time. Safa from India.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam tullah.
So if after waking up, I notice discharge and recall having a wet dream, but the discharge looks very similar to my regular vaginal discharge, a fatwa I read from a trustworthy source tells that even if it's not certain that the wetness is from ejaculation, the ghusl is obligatory. I'm confused as the rule of certainty is that it's not affected by doubt. So what's the right approach on this?
There is no ghusl. There is no ghusl obligatory as long as the normal vaginal charge is there and nothing extra. So there is no traces of ejaculation. Even if you recall an intimate dream, this has no impact on it. Muhammad from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam tullah.
Sheikh, in Bangladesh, almost every masjid starts Dhuhr congregation at 1:15 p.m. throughout the year, and after 1 week I have an exam coming that will be from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. and after that it will take me around 10 minutes to come out of the exam hall, and then I will be sweating and tired. So for the exam days, can I skip Dhuhr congregation and then come home, take a shower and pray with more khushu'?
No, if you can pray in the masjid, and the masjid is within your vicinity or on your way home, you have to pray there with the Muslims.